Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum is a straightforward process that can be done at home with a few tools and some careful steps. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Start by removing the dust canister from the vacuum. To do this, simply press the release button located at the top of the canister. Set the canister aside. Next, locate the screws that hold the trigger in place. There are usually 2 screws on the back of the trigger assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these 2 screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger away from the body of the vacuum. Be careful not to damage any wiring connected to the trigger. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws are fully removed. Now, take a moment to clean the area around the trigger and inside the vacuum. Dust and debris can accumulate over time and might affect the performance of the new trigger. Use a soft brush or a cloth to clean this area thoroughly. This will ensure that the new trigger operates smoothly. Next, take your new trigger and align it with the assembly. Make sure that any connectors or tabs are properly seated before pushing it into place. This is crucial for a secure fit. Once the trigger is seated correctly, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure the trigger is secured. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about performing this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you may encounter during this process. After securing the trigger, it's a good idea to test it before reassembling the vacuum. Press the trigger to ensure it engages and releases smoothly. If you notice any issues, double-check your work or consider reaching out for professional help. Once you're satisfied with the new trigger, reattach the dust canister by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Your Dyson V10 should now be ready for use with its newly replaced trigger. For your convenience, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With our service, there are no calls and no travel involved, just a simple and efficient solution for your vacuum repair needs. Finally, if you ever find yourself in need of repairs or further maintenance, remember that we always provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect without any surprises. Regular maintenance can keep your Dyson V10 performing at its best for years to come. Thank you for following this guide, and enjoy the ease of your newly functioning vacuum trigger. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.